Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering all ingredients and prepping them so cooking flows without pause. Use 4 large eggs and place them in a pot with cold water to cover by 1 inch. Bring to a boil, then simmer 8 minutes for firm yolks. Peel and cube 2 medium potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Rinse to remove excess starch. Finely chop 1 onion, mince 2 cloves garlic, and dice 2 tomatoes to yield about 1 cup. Measure spices: 1 tsp turmeric, 2 tsp cumin, 2 tsp coriander, 1 tsp chili powder, 1 tsp garam masala. Have 3 tablespoon oil and 1 cup water ready. Parboil the cubed potatoes for about 6 minutes until just tender, then drain and set aside so they hold shape when fried. Heat 3 tablespoon vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the potatoes and fry 6 to 8 minutes until edges brown, then remove and reserve. In the same skillet, add a little more oil, then sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves until translucent and golden, about 6 minutes. To build flavor, stir in 1 tsp turmeric, 2 tsp cumin, 2 tsp coriander, and 1 tsp chili powder. Cook spices 2 minutes until aromatic. Add 2 diced. Return the fried potatoes to the skillet and nestle 4 peeled, halved boiled eggs into the tomato spice base. Pour in 1 cup water to loosen the gravy and bring to a gentle simmer. Cook 6 minutes so potatoes finish tendering and flavors blend. Sprinkle 1 tsp garam masala and taste for salt, adding about 1/2 tsp if needed. Stir gently to avoid breaking eggs. Simmer 2 more minutes. Then remove from heat and garnish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon if desired. Serve hot with steamed rice or flatbread. Refrigerate leftovers up to 3 days and reheat gently to avoid drying the eggs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.